Traeth y Gweinidog ddatganiad am wasanaethau fasgiwlaidd yn Ysbyty Gwynedd.
Thank you for the question. Gwasanaeth University Health Board has approved plans to create a specialist vascular unit for North Wales at Ysbyty Glan-Clwyd. There are no plans to close any vascular departments. The Health Board will continue to treat patients with non-complex needs at all 3 North Wales hospitals, including Ysbyty Gwynedd.
Mae'r cynlluniau sydd rwan o'n blaenau ni yn tanseilio gwaith rhagorol yn Ysbyty Gwynedd yr wythnos yma. Mi ydw i ag aelodau etholedig eraill Plaid Cymru yn y Gogledd Orllewin wedi galw am asesiad llawn gan Lywodraeth Cymru o effaith, o impact penderfyniad Bwrdd Iechyd Prifysgol Betsi Cadwaladr i ganoli gwasanaethau fasgiwlar yn Ysbyty Glan-Clwyd. Fis yn ôl, mi nath y bwrdd fynd yn ôl ar ei gair a thorri a ddewid i warchod rhai gwasanaethau yn Ysbyty Gwynedd. Mi oedd na sicrwydd wedi rhoi bydda gwasanaethau llawdriniaeth fasgiwlar yn cael ei cynnal ac yn hanfod ac yn holl bwysig y gallu dderbyn mynediadau brys fasgiwlar i Ysbyty Gwynedd yn parhau. Nid dyna fydd yr achos erbyn hyn. Yr ofn yn amlwg ydy y bydd hyn yn cael effaith andwyol ar gleifion yn y Gogledd Orllewin. Fydd yn wynebu taith rhai ohonyn nhw awr a hanner am fynediad brys am lawdriniaeth sy'n cael ei ddarparu'n rhagorol yn Ysbyty Gwynedd ar hyn o bryd. A wnewch chi ymrwymo i gynnal yr astudiaeth impact yna, mae'r peth lleia mae cleifion yn ei heiddi.
With respect, I don't share the view that he provides about the service change that is being planned for. And I would point out this is a planned service change that is supported by the relevant professional body, the Royal College of Surgeons, including by their council here in Wales. And not only that, though, but because of the changes that are being made, the Health Board has been successful in recruiting new consultant vascular surgeons. They've offered posts to 9 consultant vascular surgeons, and of those, 4 have now commenced employment and 2 commenced in April 2019. That will give a complement of 8 substantive consultant surgeons across the Health Board, a significant improvement. And of all those people who have started or are due to start in the Health Board, the planned service change has been a real factor in them choosing to undertake employment within the Health Board, far from this undermining the service available to patients in every part of North Wales. This service change and the additional recruitment that has taken place on the back of service change is actually positive for staff and patients.